It's been hard in America. It's been tough feeling sad. It's been hard in America. I never thought it'd get so bad.
Please.
I wish that I had a big jet plane, fly the tears away. Maybe I'd find a river so wide and drift away all of the pain. But it seems there's more to do. There's more to love we've yet to find. Oh yeah, it's true, we may stumble through, but all we have is precious time. It's hard to see in America, the sand thrown in your eyes. It's hard to speak in America, when every word creates divide. But it seems that we're all the same. We all need love and hope, a little grace. And yeah, it's true, it's so hard to do, to find it all right here in this place. It's hard to rest in America, the weight upon your chest. It's hard to stay here in America when it feels like there's nothing left. There's a reason why we don't give up. There's a future here, my Lord, I pray. Yeah, it's true, we can make it through all this. We might be better off one day. So find the light in America, in its hollow ancient eyes. Try to smile in America,